Hi, Richard here, owner of Learn, Implement, Share. I want to tell you a little story. I have had a very unusual and interesting classroom mathematics teaching career. I chose at different times to do some casual teaching, some substitute teaching. And so I was in this one school and I'm in the maths department, and there was one teacher who was extremely experienced. I had a lot of respect for this teacher. And one day this person came back from a Year 8 maths lesson and was really frustrated and sat down, huffed and puffed and says, so annoying. I had some of those Year 8 girls. I taught them this yesterday and today they had no idea what we were doing, and it was some basic fraction operation. At this stage, I was exploring this conceptual approach to teaching mathematics, and I said innocently, look, sounds like the students don't understand the concepts. I wasn't trying to be a smart aleck. It was an honest, gentle, just, can I help you out here? Sounds like they don't understand the concept. And this teacher turned and looked at me with horror and said, of course they don't understand the concept. They can't understand the concept. They're Year 8 struggling math students. They're incapable. That was the message. They're incapable of understanding this concept. And this is something like equivalent fractions, something as absolutely, basically simple as equivalent fractions. In other words, the only way I can teach these students is step by step. Drill the procedure and then they'll get it, which is completely incorrect. You won't get students to understand or succeed in mathematics if you just drill the procedure, drill the routine. We need to tackle the concepts, and it's very easy to do, especially in a topic like fractions, decimals, and percentages, which is historically so many students, I think, crash and burn at that topic because they don't get it. And then so much maths beyond fractions, decimals, and percentages requires an understanding of fractions, decimals, and percentages. And that's when they go, that's it, this maths thing's not for me. And it's so tragic because there's nothing in fractions, decimals, or percentages that is difficult. I'm talking Year 8, 9 level. It's all simple stuff. And yet when adults tell us at barbecues, 70% of them, I was hopeless at maths at school, that's the sort of maths they're talking about. Anyway, bit of a rant. But I thought, wow, this is an insight into where I think a lot of teachers' beliefs are. Oh no, we don't bother trying to get those struggling students to understand. They're kind of not capable. I'm not going to say that in words, but that's my attitude, and that's why I just teach step by step. So there you go. Love to hear your comments. Hopefully I made you think. My question to you is there any part of you that thinks, well, there's a lot of students that I teach that aren't really capable of truly understanding some of these basic concepts? And if you do think that, you're normal, because I think a lot of maths teachers think this. I probably did too in the beginning. And let us know about it. I've got some really cool PD which deals with this, and I would love you to check it out. Let us know in the comments what you think. This is Richard from Learn, Implement, Share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.